Creating a lead magnet in WordPress is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a lead magnet in WordPress. The process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to be at your Google and there you have to go to WordPress. So I'm just going to search for WordPress and I'll go to WordPress. Now, creating a lead magnet itself is not a difficult task in WordPress. However, what to create is actually very difficult because what to create totally depends upon your intellect, how and what thing that you need to create. You just need to use your marketing sense, your marketing strategies that you will be able to put in your WordPress or put in your lead magnets. So in order to create a new thing, you just have to click on this view site. It will take you to your site which you have created. You just have to click on this right section. What it will do is it will start putting it will start allow you to make changes or edit your profile. So that you can do, as you can see, this is it just open up the editor. You can actually use this editor to create a lead magnet without any problem. Once again, I'm going to tell you creating a lead magnet is not a very difficult job. What to create is actually difficult. You need to use your marketing expertise in it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.